book train ticket in China as a foreigner. In the past, it's very hard for foreigners to book train tickets in China. You might need Chinese phone number. But now it'll be very easy and very straightforward. So in this video, I share you 3 ways that you can book the train ticket, either by apps or by official website, or you can buy on the spot. So this is a very short video and I'll share it here so that you can just refer to this video if you want to go to China and book the speed train ticket. The first way you can buy a ticket is to use their apps from the official website. This is actually the official apps from a Chinese railway company, and it's called 12306. Okay, I just install this and just open. Alright, this is actually the interface. It's quite clean. Alright, it's different from the Chinese version. Okay, Chinese version has more wordings, but here it's just a few English words. So first of all, before you have the book, right, you have to log in. So this is actually how you do it. You register, right? Then you have to key in all your passport details. And they even have guidelines here where you can able to check it what are the information needed, so that you can fill it accordingly. And once you finish registering an account, you just sign up an account, right? So you can just log in and you can start searching for the tickets. Like for example, Shanghai to Beijing. So on 22 August, you can even click high-speed train only, because in China they have normal trains and even high-speed train based on the code number in front, like G, Z, and H, or even CR if I'm not mistaken. Right, so just search and you can see that this is actually scheduled for all services. So ranging from morning 6:17, you can wake up so early, or all the way until at night. So there are different prices. You can just click it and you see there's a second class, first class, or business class. For information, you just have to take second class because it's the most affordable and also it's quite comfortable. It's more than enough, and it's actually like quite common for most people to take second class. If you don't mind, you can take standing tickets. Do know that if you stand for too long, it may be very tiring for you. So better book a seat. Another method is to use third party called trip.com. So there are quite a lot of third parties, but I love using trip.com because it's quite convenient and easy, and the price is also quite similar as the price from the official website. So let's say this is Shanghai to Beijing, okay, the same place and same date. So you just click search. Okay, I just click high speed train only. You can just search. Here are all the services here with the schedule. So you can pick from morning all the way until at night. You can check the availability of the seat by clicking here, second class, first class, and business class. So if it's sold out, right, you say sold out, and yeah, they say some tickets are sold out and you can join the wait list. But my opinion is that if let's say it's under waitlist, right, so as a tourist, don't do that, and you can check out other schedules that can fit your timing. Alright, so this is actually second method. It's called trip.com. You can even use it their official website from a laptop to book it as well, and it's very convenient and super easy. So if you are foreigners that can understand Chinese, you can also use Chinese to book. But do know that there are some difficulties, like they might need Chinese phone number and also Chinese ID. So it's better for you to use English version, so it's easier for you. If you want to be hassle-free, right, you can go for trip.com. It will be very easy for you. So the third method you can use is to go to the railway station and book on the spot. But for this method, I highly recommend you to check the schedule and also to check the season. Meaning that if you are going on the, how you call it, as peak season, or national week, or like a holiday for the Chinese people, don't do that because it might be very hard for you to book a seat, and even a standing seat as well. So please don't do that. Only when you're confident, when you want to go during weekdays or normal day where you think not so many people are taking the speed train, and it's a normal day, it's a working day, so it might be easy for you that you can just book on the spot. Because some people prefer to book on the spot because it's easier and also it's faster. So these are 3 methods that I use when I was in China, or even as a foreigner I used to travel China. So what are the apps that I use, or what are methods that I use to book speed train ticket in China? And leave a comment down below if you find it to be useful, and don't forget to subscribe as well. And I'll see you in the next coming video. Bye.